Step 2. Mounting the driver eye camera. Place the camera within the windshield wiper wipe zone and ensure driver's vision is not obstructed. Place as close to the vehicle center line as possible so that the inward and outward facing camera has a clear view of its surroundings. Once you have determined this area, use the 99% alcohol wipe to clean the area. Make sure to wipe away any residue, dust, and lint. Remove the protective cover on the tape and attach it to the windshield. Use a D-215 security Torx driver to remove the camera from the bracket. Gently apply pressure to secure the bracket in place to remove any air bubbles in between bracket tape and windshield. Reattach driver eye to mounting bracket and ensure device is leveled with road horizon.